Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Chama fans on the TV, it's time Channel 8, Alana Paras 2, Devon City 1, I'm joined by the chairman! Makwasi relax! Order for each chairman, please! Order for each chairman, please! Chairman, I'm not the chair.
I'm not the chairman.
Thank you, chairman.
I'm not chairman. Just tell a president.
Yes.
I want to come out to grind deep.
Yes.
Mama Tiapera, Lokuzani, Devon City, actually the card at the earlier stage.
Yes.
So the minister dominate after that red card. But manje, scenario flop velokuba na maudu team. You understand? Now I know Sogolis are necessary. About Devon City. You understand our term. But in Devon City, Funa is a defending champion.
Sure.
Melen Boni say Lokuzani, Hanga, Nekare. You understand? No must better. And another to the Yoguti, Uocho, Ashogutena before shy retirement. At least she's come on position. Sure. And Uboni Sil or to Wutin Krutmani, Lentuana Pega, Undaba Mfano Futi. Undabum Nanda. Uboni Sile, Krutman will beg a pension for Fandak. I'm Kai full game. Must I step back Kebe one to him now? And then Besant Ramapagani. Buffet to Siazu to Tony Tonuko. But some Fagelini pledge. Ufanu such a Luis. We understand any chance because Manje Masim Fageli pledge along people al Tolai, Ofunukichimela Pambi. And Utwana Siamazuti, we are Zenzes into Zense. But my Mangabetina is Russia. But otherwise, Tuana Zidalile and our Tiami, Tina Siapambil Manje, Asbono Munyozai, Mukjelile Mangfiga Fandak Stadium. What in fact Mangani Silena Lemang put 2 million Chahid. Either I chief Zuni or Santa. Velenborn, Utinia. Sitting I mo Shibaning and Fetuba Fungu Shiting Pumeraj, Barang Bashabi. Thank you, Chairman.